Hey guys, I'm not gonna lie, I washed my hair 4 hours ago, like at 1. It's currently like 5. I just don't want to do my hair, and I was like, this is a perfect opportunity to show you guys my lazy wash day routine thingamajigga, you know what I mean. My roots are literally nearly completely dry. My baby hairs are dry. I had my hair up in a clip, that's why the bottom of my hair is still wet. A lazy hair routine that literally doesn't take more than 10 minutes and your curls still look really nice. For starters, I'm gonna wet my hair because, like I said, I washed my hair 5 hours ago. I just don't feel like doing my hair. It's Monday. I don't feel like doing my hair. I'm not gonna lie. Don't mind. I don't know if you guys could see like on the camera, but there's like some white spots on my face. Don't mind that. Okay, that's just New Year's is in literally 3 days. I need to get rid of this pimple. I don't know what I have to do to get rid of it, but I'm gonna get rid of it. So I just have some skincare on it, so don't mind that. Okay, now I'm just gonna apply the products into 2 sections. I always use my basics, the ones that I use literally every time. They're the only ones that could ever like control my hair, so that's why they're my to-go. I've been brushing my hair with a comb for the last like couple days. Well, the last hair wash day. And low-key, I really like it. Definitely a lot more time consuming, but I really like it. This is the comb I've been using. It's really tiny. Compared to like normal combs, it's really tiny. This is like a comb that's tinier than usual. But I like that it has this, even though I've never used this. Okay, now that we have that all through our hair. Like, does this happen to anybody else where like I just touching my hair, I lose like so much hair? Like, no matter how much I brush my hair, I always lose hair. Now we're gonna add the gel. Every single time that you put a new product into your hair, you want to rake it through and then brush your hair. And then if you're gonna add another product, add the product, rake it, and then brush. I think you get the best results when you do that, instead of just adding it all at once and then brushing. Okay, now that we're done, I'm gonna section off the crown. I swear that this is gonna be fast, okay? Just hear me out when I say to section off your crown. I hate sectioning off my crown because it hurts so bad. Okay, boom. Perfect. Doesn't have to look good. Doesn't even have to be straight. That's very uneven. But we'll fix it as we go. Okay, now this is the brush I'm using. Honestly, I think you could use any brush and it would work. I'm gonna brush through it first. Okay, now that it's all clearly raked into my hair, you're gonna go by sections, okay? One section like this. I always wrap my hair around like that. I feel like it makes it easier. You're gonna go like this, and you're gonna go like that. Once, twice, as hard as you want. I don't think it really cares, and you're just gonna keep doing that. And you're not even gonna look at the pieces as you go. Just however it looks, however. Remember, this is supposed to be a lazy routine. We don't want to do too much. And then you're gonna grab another section. Make sure your sections you're grabbing aren't too big. I think this section might be too big, so I might have to do it into 2. Actually, no, it's fine. So you're gonna go like that, and then like that. Boom. Boom. Now you're gonna do the other side. See how fast that was? That wasn't even like 5 minutes. That literally was like not even 3. I do smaller sections on the bottom than I do the top, just because my hair at the bottom of my head is a lot more coily than the top of my head. But as I work my way up, I usually get more hair. Okay, so I just finished both sections. You can just flip those back. Hold on, I'm gonna fix this piece because it's just too frizzy and it's bothering me. You can focus more in the front just because those hairs are more important and like people see those hairs more. Okay, now for the top, and now you're gonna split it in half from the top of your head to the back. If you already have hair back there, don't even worry about this. Like, if you only did the crown, like your actual crown, then you're fine. But I did it, and I usually never do because I go all the way back, so it's fine. Let me show you guys more. So do you guys see right here how this hair was on my crown? Grab this hair. You can like split it down the middle or whatever, but this hair that goes back, you're gonna grab it. This is why we already added product, so we don't have to add product now. I like to go like that with my hair, so when I need to find it, I can like find it. You're just going to brush it back like this. You can go like that, just flip it back until it looks clean enough. I don't know why my hair right here in the front is so frizzy. Now we're gonna do this part. This part, I like to go down the sides a little bit. Doesn't really matter how much. So like I'll go like that much and I'll brush down. Like I said, it didn't matter if it was even or not because we were gonna fix it right now. Just kind of go like that, and now do this side, and now you should be left like something like this. It doesn't have to be perfect, honestly. And now you're gonna grab these pieces. It doesn't have to be perfect. The messier the better. And you're just gonna brush back and let it fall, and boom. Now you're gonna grab another piece. See how my line is crooked? I really don't care because when it dries, you're not gonna be able to tell. You're just gonna go like that and drop. Your hair will figure itself out. Okay, now these front pieces, you can either choose to like, so now with these front pieces, I'm not 100% sure what I want to do with them. I think I'm gonna just keep them in the front because I don't really feel like doing, so if you're trying to do a middle part like me, you're just gonna brush your hair forward, split it. If you're gonna do a middle part, side part, I might do a side part actually. If you're gonna do a side part like me, you're just gonna brush it this way like that. My side part's like really uneven. Oops, it's like really uneven. I'm gonna do it by sections, so I'm gonna do this bottom piece. Actually no, I'm just gonna brush until it looks how you want it to look. My hair's like not cooperating. I don't know if you guys could tell. I don't know if I actually want to do a middle part. I'm being indecisive right now. So the only pieces that I kind of like worked on a little more and like not like I finger coiled a little bit are the front pieces, because those are pieces that a lot of people see. I'm gonna do my edges because they are making me so mad, and then I'll be back. Okay, now that we're done with my edges real quick before we start drying, you're just gonna grab some gel and scrunch it into your hair. Just like this, very gently, just like that. Okay, now that my edges are done because they're irritating me really bad, we're going to dry our hair. Now you can either choose to air dry, use a diffuser, or what I'm about to use, which I said this is a lazy hair routine, so this is not normal. I just sort of like sit in front of my heater and just let it dry my hair because I don't like diffusing, especially when I'm feeling lazy. So I just kind of sit in front of it for like 10 minutes and it'll dry my hair, or sort of dry my hair, but it does a really good job. And I'll do whatever I need to get done here, waiting for it to dry my hair. I'll flip over so I can like dry the front of my face, but it does a really good job. So I'll be back whenever my hair is dry. So my hair is all dry now. I had sat in front of the heater for a little bit, and then I kind of like let it air dry, and then I diffused it, and I was like, okay, I'm just gonna finish it off by diffusing it. It's still wet. It's fine. Yeah, just this piece right here is wet. That's weird. Like the rest of my head is like completely dry. It's just this piece right here. Now we're gonna take the scrunch out and put some oil in and foof it all up. So you can literally use any oil. I'm using argan oil just because it's my favorite oil. I put oil in my hair in a really weird way. I kind of like brush it down like this. Don't ask me why. I just kind of do. I just go like this. But that usually doesn't get like the whole scrunch out. I do have to like really get in there because my hair like will still be hard. Just scrunch up. I don't understand why this side is wet. Like there's a wet piece right here. Okay, whatever. Scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. It doesn't look like I have a side part. It looks like I have a middle part. So now I'm just gonna shake my roots out. Alright. My hair on this side is wet and I'm trying not to get mad. I hate it when my hair is like wet. You can kind of just flip your hair whatever way you want. If you want to like flip it over here or flip it over here. I'm gonna just leave it like that for now. We're gonna pull apart the pieces, the big pieces, or any pieces that need to be pulled apart. Okay, so I just finished undoing all the pieces, and I just sort of like flipped my hair this way because I was like, I'm feeling that my roots are a little flat, which is fine, I guess. It's because if I were to have diffused my hair from the beginning, my roots would not be this flat, but since I didn't, they are a little flat. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little lazy hair routine, and I hope you guys have a good rest of your guys' day.